Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a simple card spring. I like how weird that sounded, and I could just edit it out, but anyways. So first, you take if you're right-handed, you take your middle finger and put it in the top right corner of the cards, as so. And then you put your thumb right at the bottom left. A lot of people's misconceptions is that you bend it outwards, but if you do that, they will fly in tons of different ways. So you put your middle finger here, your thumb here, you bend it towards your palm. You can already see one just started to jump out of my hand there. And in order to do the card spring, your hand is kind of going like that in a wave, but your thumb is doing most of the motion. So you don't want to have an immense amount of pressure because that'll just throw accuracy out the window. You don't want to have too little, or else the cards won't go at all. So you'll find the just right amount of pressure, and you'll be able to do a card spring eventually. What helped me with learning is not to try to spring it all the way out at first, is just to actually try to, do stuff like this over the table. So that way you're not dropping the cards and basically playing a game of 52 card pickup. Really?
You said you can edit, right?
Okay, anyways, as I was saying, you don't want to play a card game of 52 card pickup. I might leave this in the video just because of that reason. I think I am. Alright. So yeah, you don't want to be playing a solo game of 52 card pickup when doing your card spring. So just practice over a table going like this. And then eventually, you'll get bigger card springs. Another quick, I guess you could say teaser to my next video. I'm going to do how to throw playing cards. Here's a really quick overview, like a sneak peek almost, from Rick Smith Jr. I'll actually include the links in that video, but not in this one. So what you want to do is act like you're cutting the scissors, like with scissors. Act like you're cutting the top off. Pull down a little bit. That's what he says to do. But what I do is actually kind of cut the corner a little bit more than he does. Right? Just like this, with your index and your middle finger. And you put your thumb right there. And then you curl these fingers. And you curl your wrist all the way back. And almost like a snap, you want to throw the cards. You don't just want to lob the cards at the whatever you're trying to throw. You actually want to have some sort of precision and target and accuracy so you can throw cards better. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.